5 years ago, we started a YouTube channel and a dream.
A dream that maybe we get paid or even get a tank of gas for our travels.
Well, guess what?
It finally happened.
And after years of posting videos and learning the ropes,
we finally got our first YouTube paycheck. Stick around. We're going to tell you exactly how we did it, the videos that made the most money, and the lessons we learned along the way.
Hi, it's Mike and Deb from Love for Travel TV. And 5 years ago, we started our Love for Travel TV episode on YouTube. And it has taken that long to actually start making some money.
Well, we had hoped. The whole point was to make money, right? Everybody says, oh, you guys must be making a lot of money on YouTube.
Yes.
That's the first question everybody asks us. Hey, can you make money on YouTube? The answer is yes.
Yes.
Yeah. We started ours in 2019, and then it sat dormant for 2 years. After that, we uploaded a few shorts just because we were just having some fun. So we really didn't start to take it serious until we both retired in 2021, and we uploaded our very first video. So technically, the channel existed for 2 years before we did anything. And I would say we're probably the slowest growth YouTube channel in history at this point. But something amazing started happening.
We hit the road and started filming our life on YouTube TV.
We were traveling with Kitty Boo Boo, and we were just documenting all the really fun places we loved going to.
It was kind of overwhelming, but we thought, okay, we got it down now. We're ready to make some money.
Yeah. How hard can it be? We've got this.
Yeah.
No problem.
Easy. So for years, we didn't make a single penny.
Yeah, not because we didn't want to, but because we didn't qualify. And then finally, we made it to Tier 1 monetization. And that was memberships and super chats.
Yeah, you get there when you hit, I think, 500 subscribers.
Mm-hmm. And we tried it. I didn't really put a lot of effort. I'm just going to be honest with you. We created all the membership levels and sort of put some effort into it. And then we didn't do any super chats because we haven't done any live streams. So we were focused on the long form videos and coming up with really good content.
So we finally got there. On November 6th of 2025, we actually hit Tier 2.
And on that day, we actually earned our first revenue off a video.
In one day.
$1.31.
Okay, so just a quick refresher. There's Tier 1, which is super chats and
memberships.
Mm-hmm. Then when you get to Tier 2, that requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 365 days.
Right. So we actually earned the 4,000 watched hours pretty quickly. And it's a good sign because that meant content was good. But we didn't have our 1,000 subscribers, so we had to keep that momentum up. Between the two, when you're balancing both balls, it's a lot. But once you hit the 1,000 subscribers, done.
Yeah, that's typically, it's going to just rise from there. But
right.
The 4,000 watch hours, as soon as day 365 comes along, 365 days ago, you're going to start losing all those watch hours. So you got to keep the momentum up.
Mm-hmm. Right. Content is king. Obviously, that's what YouTube is all about.
So the YouTube journey, once you get monetized, is a daily thing that sometimes you're making some pretty good money and sometimes you're not. I think our best day was in December of 2025, and that was $4.79.
Mm-hmm. So just going back, we qualified in November, and in December of 2025, this is how it can be such a huge swing in how much you make. We did $4.79 in one day in December, and then another day we only did 43 cents. We know. Try not to be impressed.
So now let's break down the monthly totals.
November 2025 was $34.85 for the entire month.
December of 2025 was $44.09.
January, we earned $38.15.
February of 2026, we made $50.44.
But now here's something that a lot of times nobody tells you about. YouTube's not going to pay you until you hit the $100 threshold. The other thing, besides you hitting a $100 barrier, the other thing is that Google has to verify your checking account. And it's kind of goofy. They'll deposit like 4 cents and then they'll take it back out. And then you have to go in to the earning AdSense window and verify that, yes,
you got the 4 cents.
Right.
Or whatever it is.
And then you wait.
And wait.
And then wait.
But then it's verified.
Yeah. Well, verifies, but then you wait to see when are we going to get paid. And then on February 23rd, 2026, we got our first paycheck and our first deposit
of $117.09.
Yeah. Not quite a tank of gas, but we'll take it. It also means that it's working. So we were ridiculously excited. I felt this surge of inspiration and energy to keep moving forward because, like, oh, wow, okay, we're legit. But wait, time out. There's some things the experts will tell you that you'll try and maybe didn't work. Well, for us, they didn't work. We watched one video that says, do a lot of shorts, create a lot of shorts on YouTube, and that will feed people back to subscribing to your channel. And that really didn't work for us.
No.
No.
And then a lot of them said, go ahead and put out a video every week, maybe every few days.
Oof. And I guess it also depends on the subject matter. Our niche is travel. It's not how to DIY. It's not finance. So we have to do travel plans, driving routes, book RV parks, book adventures, research travel destinations, besides obviously filming the destination.
And we're retired.
Hours and hours of editing.
Oh, unbelievable hours.
So in our world, weekly wasn't working. We were getting burned out. In the end, we decided quality over quantity was a better answer for us and our channel. Yeah. But you have to make up your own mind.
Yeah, so we actually slowed it down to every other week to put out a video. Mm-hmm. I mean, that's what's working for us.
Our number one marketing tool he came up with. We put a QR code on the back of the Jeep, and that has been our number one marketing tool. Well, whether we're sitting still or driving down the road, people just hold their camera up, take the picture, and boom, they're subscribed.
And they're showing us ourselves on their phone as they're driving by our RV, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's kind of fun.
You feel famous.
Yeah. At least a legend in our own minds. Yeah. Let's kind of break down and take a look at the videos that made us the most money.
Anna Maria Island was one of our best, and that was shot in 24.
Yeah. Yellowstone National Park, 5-day itinerary.
Our crazy winter road trip to Zion National Park.
Our 1 day in Catalina adventure.
One perfect day on San Juan Island was the moneymaker.
It was the biggest so far.
Which tells us something, that our most current videos are typically the most moneymakers.
Or are they? I seem to think it could be the destination is what really drawing the viewers and the people who are searching for that particular location. I don't know. You tell me what you think. Comments below.
So after 5 years,
hundreds of hours of filming,
a lot of learning along the way,
Love for Travel earned its first YouTube paycheck
of $117.09.
Which may not seem like a lot.
But it was a lot to us.
Yes, it does. It means that things are working and they're moving forward.
And just a lesson that we've learned is just don't give up.
No.
Just go ahead and start that YouTube channel and keep doing it. Eventually, you're going to get there.
Yeah. Find your rhythm. Find what works most for you instead of what all of the experts are telling you absolutely have to do. You know, you can trial and error. and find what's comfortable and fun. You have to keep having fun because it proves the journey is working. Did you know that only 5% of YouTube channels get monetized?
So stick with it because most people drop out before they hit that level.
And thanks so much for being on this journey with us.
Until next time.
Safe travels. And don't forget to subscribe. I mean, we still want the subscribers, but we really, really want you to be watching and telling us what you think of our videos.
So watch this video 600 or 700 times.
Yeah.